hop field network 1. Again, this discussion about the hop field network being divided into two modules. In the first module, the basics, the strategy, the inspiration will be discussed, and in the second module, the procedure in detail will be discussed, which has been adopted by these algorithms. The hop field networks algorithms, they have been proposed by J.J. Hopfield. They are fully connected feedback fixed weight networks. The Hopfield network is a neural network which belongs to the category of artificial neural network, and more broadly to the category of computational intelligence. Again, they belong to the recurrent neural network basically, and are related to other recurrent neural networks, including the bidirectional associative memory algorithms. They are based on Hebbian learning, but they are using binary neurons basically. Hebbian learning is a very popular learning method which have been used in literature very popularly by different researchers in different learning algorithms, and these Hopfield networks algorithms, they are using these Hebbian learning process for a learning process, and but the difference is that they are using the binary neurons. Some other algorithms are there, not in the category of a Hopfield network, but some other algorithms are there which are using Hebbian learning, but not using the binary neurons. These Hopfield network, they provides a formal model which can be analyzed for determining the storage capacity of the network. So they are able to determine the storage capacity of the network. And it is generally related to the feed-forward neural network, such as the perceptron algorithms. They are related to other related algorithms, including the perceptron and the backpropagation algorithms and some other related algorithms, because the working mechanism of these learning algorithms, which we previously discussed, or which some will be discussed ahead, they are using more or less similar strategies with some minor differentiations in their stages of processing. So they are related to other algorithms in these categories of the neural networks, like the perceptron and the backpropagation algorithms. The Hopfield algorithms, they are inspired by the associated memory properties of the human brain. The human brain has its massive property of associated memory, and they are being inspired, these Hopfield network algorithms are being inspired by this associated memory property of the human brain. Though the training process, through the training process, the weights in the networks may be thought to minimize the energy function and slide down an energy surface. So this is the general Hopfield strategy, the strategy of the Hopfield network algorithms. In a trained network, each pattern presented to the network provides an attractor. It means that once the Hopfield network algorithm being trained, each pattern presented to the network provides an attractor, and the attractor is an important character, important property, important ability, which will be discussed later on in the coming module. Progress is being made towards the point of attraction by propagating information around the network. The information processing objective of the system. This is very important, that what type of strategy this Hopfield network algorithm are using. So the information processing objective of the system is to associate the components of an input pattern with a holistic representation of the patterns called the content addressable memory. This means that once trained, the system will recall whole patterns. जितनी भी patterns system ने पहले से identify किए, जितनी भी systems networks में जितनी भी patterns पहले से मौजूद है या जिनको पहले भी follow किया गया है, system उन सारे patterns को recall करेगा. Whole patterns will be recalled given a portion or a noisy version of the input pattern. या तो वो जब सारे patterns को recall करता है on a given portion of that specific type of data or on a noisy version of that data, so the whole pattern will be recalled during the processing stages of this Hopfield network, Hopfield network algorithms.